good for them. It gets sand and dirt in their gizzards so they can actually digest stuff.
Show up late? Let's go. We got to do.
Go. Ready?
He did his hair.
I didn't comb my hair today.
He walks in with his sunglasses. Like, we're filming today.
Taking out the old compressor that was bad because it was shorted. Unsolder it, solder in a new one, and now I'm putting the Schrader valves back in it. I'm going to pressure test it. Make sure my solder joints don't leak. It's just that easy.
Well, we were having an amp draw problem on the back AC unit, so we removed that because that AC unit was bad, and then unfortunately all the other two are just the same air, like 98. So at that point you have to change over the thermostat, and you might as well just change all the ACs at one get-go, and then you know you have brand new ACs and you're gonna cool. But yeah, we're getting ready to wire all this up, and obviously some of the ceiling panels are coming down here, coming unglued, so we're gonna glue all that up for them. I straightened this out. CJ's getting ready to chop it all off. We're gonna update the whole front end, get the bumper back on, get it painted. We're gonna have to order these panels here. This panel here, I don't know if we can get that back out. We're gonna try. If not, then we'll have to get a new rubber rail there. And yeah, this panel here. Got the door all straightened out. Opening and closing all right. Obviously the paint needs to get redone, but yeah, that's that.
I'll let you break it.
Gee, thanks.
We did solar, so we had to pull, to get from the roof down, we had to pull this completely out. And we went behind this panel from the roof, slid all the wiring down in here, there, got it to the bay, to the battery.
Yeah, it's still on.
Slammed 24 volts to it, right?
12. Kyle leaves me alone. He
That's
doesn't.
a loaded question.
What, if I'm happy here, or if Kyle leaves me alone? Either one.
Let's go, we got shit to do.